So we had the privilege today of having Professor Bakshi's lecture online for our students. But it was fantastic. We are organizing it in the context of tort law and discussing the notion of absolute liability in the context of Bhopal gas disaster. Now, given that Professor Bakshi was involved in the process for over the last 4 decades, he has the ringside perspective of how the litigation unfolded, its doctrinal implications on the notion of strict liability and the innovative notion of absolute liability. It was a great privilege for us to listen to his thoughts and his insights on how it unfolded. It was a great opportunity for students to get to not only listen to but also ask questions regarding many different facets and doctrinal aspects of the tort law developments, what happened, what could have happened, and what should happen in the context of Bhopal gas disaster. So it was a great opportunity and thoroughly enjoyed it.